Alright, game dev, I'm just going to do a quick recap on while loop, do while loops, and for loops. So start off, while loop is obvious, it's just loop until the condition is true. So while the condition is true, right, do a block code. So let's do an example here. Initialize a variable x to equal to 1. Right, we'll go while x is less than 11. We'll do a block of code. So we'll go cout x and end it on a new line. Alright, so what's going to happen here is we start off x as 1, right? We're going to go through this while loop, so it's going to pop out 1, then increment x. And it's going to go through it again because now x is 2. It's going to pop out 2, put it on a new line, and then increment it again, so 3. Until x equals 10, it won't come out to the system pause. Alright, so let's go. There we go. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pretty easy, right? And the thing about a while loop is that if it's not true, it won't go through it. Right? So I can equal x to 100, run this, and it won't go through. It just skipped that whole block of code. Right? Because right now x is greater than 11, so it didn't even go through it. Which brings us to a do while. Alright? Let's go there, and then do. So it does a block of code at least once while the condition is true. So we'll bring this back down to 1, take this, put it here, add a semicolon, and say do. Does the block of code at least once while the condition is true. Alright, let's see what it looks like. And again, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 10. Alright, here's what makes it different. Right now, x is initialized to 100. Alright, so you go through the loop at least once, it'll pop out 100. Right, it will increment it, you just won't see it. But it will skip the loop again. So it'll skip the while statement because it is greater than 11. And it'll go right to the system pause. So we got 100. And it says press any key to continue. Alright, now on to for loops. Alright, so now I'm going to explain the difference between a do while loop and a for loop. We got, as an example, we got, before we had an initialized variable x to equal to 1. Right? We went through the block of code. Right? It popped out 10, 1 through 10. Okay? So now for a for loop up here in the comment, we do exactly what we do in a do while loop, but in a different kind of format. We initialize the variable, so that's the int x equals 1. We would put that there. Int x is equal to 1. Right? And then we put the condition right here. Right? As long as x is less than 11, we'll update the variable. Okay? So we'll go x plus plus. Pretty simple. Then we'll do the block of code. Looks a lot neater. I prefer for loops. Let's see what it looks like. So we'll take the for loop, replace the do, take the cout, replace the increment, take out the while loop. Let's see what it looks like. And once again, we got 1 through 10. It pretty much wraps up for loops, do while loops, and while loops. I hope that helped.